That way, towards where you are. Alright, so I'm going to take the pegs out of here. While you're filming. So there goes the supports, guys. Goodbye, support. Goodbye, extra support. There's still a little green on these leaves, but you know what? It's been in the ground forever.
We can't wait any longer, YouTube land. That's the truth.
No, I'm hopeless. And then the wife's going to take the cardboard out because I'm incompetent.
You're not incompetent.
Grossly incompetent. Well, you've seen my other videos. Everybody knows. All right. Oh, wow. That's just cardboard. Never mind. We're getting excited for nothing.
Doug's always been very enthusiastic.
Yep.
Oh, look. Somebody planted. Oh, isn't that nice?
The squirrels planted some... well, they were thinking of us, eh?
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready. Here we go. Oh, boom. Woo. I heard a snap. I hope that didn't snap the planter. Because I love that planter. Although, duct tape can fix anything.
This is the
No, not. Woo. Oh, yeah, they did all right.
Oh, wow.
A lot of the small ones, but you expect that.
You know, we're having for supper tonight.
There we go over there. We got a little boilie. Oh! I got lots of little boilies here, and I got some good ones. Fair size.
There's a nice one.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, yeah. That's a beauty. Look at that one. Here we go. Nothing too spectacular in size.
I'm really surprised because when we saw that big one, I expected.
I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest with you, but hey. Still, it was fun.
Where's that huge one that we saw early in the...
I don't know. Remember the one that was right up near the surface?
Yeah.
Don't tell me the squirrels ate it.
Squirrels are like potatoes.
Oh, here we go. We found it. There's that potato. That's the one that looks so promising. You look pretty thoroughly over here, eh? Well, we got what we got, and it was fun. Was it a worthwhile pursuit? I don't know. It's debatable.
I'll go back to what I've always said. Potatoes belong in the ground.
Hey, Moon. Got some nice little cute boiling potatoes. And there you go. I think that's pretty well it, eh? Yeah, there's looking the man way and then there's looking the wife way. She'll find stuff that I miss. Oh, there's another one right there. See?
Easter.
Yeah, it's like an Easter egg hunt. There we go, that's not bad.
And remember, we've had an awful year for growing this year.
Yeah.
It's not been the typical Canadian
No.
summer.
I mean, it's brain. I haven't had a chance to fertilize them the way I wanted to with liquid fertilizer, so I should have probably, in hindsight, just put in horse manure or something. But how do you know what the year's going to be like, eh?
Well, that's the age-old question.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. That is the harvest of the Superior potatoes for this year. Not bad, but I'm disappointed, to tell you the truth. Anyway, Rob out.